Example number 5, molecular mass calculation. Children, if you remember, in one of the examples we have the molecular mass calculation with the decimal values. Here we have no decimal values given in the hint in the chart. You can see in the questions. That means in case when they don't mention you the atomic masses, you can take the rounded off values of the atomic masses with no decimal values. But if they give you, you have to consider. We already understood this point. Moving forward, we are going to calculate the molecular mass of potash alum. What is the formula of potash alum? K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 24H2O. Now in this, what is the atomic mass of potassium? 39U unified mass, aluminium 27 unified mass, and oxygen is 16 and sulfur is 32 unified mass. So moving forward, let us calculate the molecular mass of potash alum. Formula of potash alum again we'll write K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 24H2O. So number of potassium atoms in this particular one, so the molecular mass can be given as molecular mass is equals to, formula remains the same, sum of atomic mass of all atoms, atomic mass of all atoms in the formula. So let us go into this particular one, sum of atomic mass of all atoms in the formula. What will be the answer? It is the mass of 2 potassium atoms, it is the mass of 4 sulfur atoms, mass of 2 aluminium atoms, mass of 48 hydrogen atoms, and mass of 40 oxygen atoms. We know atomic mass of potassium is 39U, atomic mass of sulfur is 32U, so 4 into 32. Atomic mass of aluminium is 27, so 2 into 27. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, so 48 into 1. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16, so 40 into 16. So what will be 2 into 39? 78 plus 4 into 32, 128. Very good. Plus 54 plus 48 plus 40 into 16. 4 16 64, so 640. So when you add all this, 78 plus 128 plus 54 plus 48 plus 640, we get a number which is going to be 948 unified mass. 948 unified mass. So this is going to be the mass of potash alum. Potash alum is a very important alum which will be used for coagulation of blood, for purification in the water, where you will be using potash alum is one of the basic important component which is rich of cations. We'll be using particularly in the colloidal forms, colloidal systems, we'll be taking the most important point. So the atomic molecular mass of potash alum is found to be 948 unified mass, and that is our answer.